I got some comments lately about how tricky it can be to pick the right colors for painting these flowers, especially if you're just starting out. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very easy method to choose a more suitable color in your palette. This is Paris Scarlet from Daniel Smith. This is very saturated, intense color which I use a lot in my paintings. Now I'm damping this small area with water and add this color to see how much it's going to disperse. Now we can see it spreading out quickly. So when painting the flowers using the dot technique, we'll see that when we extend the petal using a watery brush, the color spreads out and covers the whole petal quickly, ending up with an almost even and flat outcome. And I'm going to try another color now. This is Rose Madder from Jello. You can see it doesn't spread as much, which means it has a lower dispersion level compared to the Paris Scarlet from Daniel Smith. When we use it for painting flowers and extending the dots into petals, the paint won't spread out too much, and the center will still keep its intensity. Therefore, this paint will give you some natural and appealing contrast, as the pattern of your stroke will still be slightly noticeable, so the flower is more vivid and natural compared to the first one. So when you don't have the same paint that was used in the tutorial, considering choosing one of your less dispersive paints if you want to paint loose flowers like this. And also I hope this method will boost your confidence when painting and prevent you from blaming yourself if things don't turn out as planned.